Hi, in front of me is TCL 25G, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down, select Security, scroll down again, tap on Face key and choose Continue. Enter your login method, choose Continue again and remember to be still. Then choose Continue one more time, tap on Turn On, and now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on. I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!